Hello, class. I welcome you all to this session. This session, we are going to discuss class 14. In that class, we are going to discuss accounting treatment of important items of income and expenditure account. Okay, so in this, I hope that I'll just select and make everything bigger so that highlight those areas that you need to concentrate. Okay, so okay, now just pay attention. Okay, now first of all, we need to understand certain items like entrance fees, admission fees. What is entrance fees or admission fees? You're entering any premises or you're getting admitted into any organization, you should pay admission fees or entrance fees, which is a revenue receipt, and which part of the financial statements that you will have to enter, you have to enter it in the income statement. Okay, so income and expenditure statement, it is an income because it is a receipt. Then life membership fees. Life membership fees is only one time in life of the organization. You're going to pay this life membership fees. So it is a capital receipt. Okay, it is a capital receipt. It has to be added to the capital fund, which is in the liability side of the balance sheet. Then you have special receipt. What is special receipt? It's a special occasion. Okay, special occasion, that is in the annual dinner. For example, have annual dinner. So I hope that you're able to see. Let me expand for you. uh, okay, now I think it's visible. So you have this annual dinner, which is see, annual dinner or special receipt that is been received for annual dinner. It is a revenue receipt because every annually you're going to receive it. So it is a revenue receipt. Whatever is the net. Say for example, say for example, you have you have 10,000 received as receipts. From 10,000 you have spent 8,000, which means 2,000 is the net amount, is a net receipt, because you have expenditure of rupees 8,000 but receipt of rupees 10,000. So you have this particular 2,000 as your net receipt, which has to be transferred to the income and expenditure account. This is an income. Say this is an income because your receipt is more than your expenses. Your receipt is more than your expenses by 2,000. Obviously, it is an income. Now, what if it is ulta? Minus 2,000, which is your expenditure. Okay. So the like which you need to do. Then you have donation. What is donation? Donation is nothing but have a general funds that is being given by the donor, the person whoever is making sure that the organization needs the fund, and he is contributing such amount for the benefit of the organization. So it is of two types. One is general donation. The donor does not specify any condition. Does not the donor does not specify any conditions for revenue receipt. So it is a revenue receipt. So he does not specify any condition. Okay, so it is a revenue receipt. So say generally you can use this fund. There is no specific thing that you need to use it only for so and so purpose. But there's something called as specific donation. The donor specifies the purpose. The donor specifies the purpose. What is that purpose? Specifies the purpose. It is a capital receipt. What is that? Say for example, just mention here rupees 10 lakhs. Rupees 10 lakhs is received for library. Okay. So for the construction of a library, there's some person who has given 10,000, sorry, lakhs construction of library as donation. In this case, you need to use this fund only for library construction. Okay. Just library construction. You cannot use this for anything else. So it is a capital receipt. It will be shown in the liability side of the bank. So I have given you so and so to make sure that you differentiate this amount. That is um, entrance fees. It is a revenue receipt. It has to be shown in the income and expenditure account. Life membership fees. It is a capital receipt. It will be shown in the balance sheet. Special receipt. It is a receipt for a special occasion. It is a revenue receipt again. It needs to be shown in the income and expenditure account. Donation. Excuse me. Donation. You have the general donation. You have the general donation, which is a revenue receipt. It has to be shown in the income side of the income and expenditure account. But specific donation is like a capital receipt. It will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. So that's all I want you to understand in this particular session. Now we'll be discussing problem. In the next class, I'll be working out this problem. So I just want you to focus here. We'll just discuss this problem in the next class, that is class 15. I will work out what you have to understand, what you have to know in this particular problem, how you need to work out. I'll just highlight it so that you will be able to get what I am trying to say. Now, listen carefully. It is an illustration problem. Extract from the receipts and payments account of the sports club. You are required to show the different items in income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. Now, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So, just pay attention. You have this receipts and payments account. From the receipts and payments account, you need to prepare income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Now, you have to donation for pavilion 10 lakhs. It is a donation for pavilion. Now, what is this? It is a specific donation, right? It is given for construction of pavilion. So, it has to be treated as what? It has to be treated as um, capital expenditure. It has to be treated as capital expenditure. It will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Two, construction for governor's party. Now, sorry, not construction, contribution for governor's party. So it is a specified for specific reason you have this contribution. Two, donations 5,000. It is a general donation by governor's party's expenses is 2,40,000. Amount spent on pavilion is rupees 20 lakhs. Now you have a specific fund for pavilion. Construction of pavilion is also there. Outstanding subscription for governor's party is 30,000. Now outstanding subscription is 30,000. Now you have contribution as 2 lakh. You have outstanding subscription. People has to subscribe to the government party, but they have not done it. So 30,000 is to be recorded. So, but the expenditure is 2,40,000, which means the net expense is actual amount that needs to be did not receive or it's an expenses which is 10,000. Then capital fund as on 3/3/2019 is 10 lakhs and pavilion fund as at 31/3/2019 is 40 lakhs. Now you need to understand this, that we are supposed to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So I'll be showing you the format of what you need to do. So let me stop the video here because it's the limit is 10 minutes. So I'll be preparing in the next class, that is class 15. I'll be showing you the workings. Okay. So thank you, class.